Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the analysis, make sure if you are new to the channel then click on the subscribe and the like button. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and then you will find some links below the video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So in case you're a newbie who wants to start trading without learning everything manually, then you can look for this option or check this option as an automated trader. So click on the link, you will be taken to this page here and you can check out all these proofs. I have made this kind of money using a software, a robot, once you know the correct settings. Okay, so this is a program for newbies. In case you are interested, go and check out the first link. Second link says join free Telegram channel. So if you do manual trading or you want some free signals, make sure you are connected with my Telegram channel where I will be sending you some free signals every now and then. And the third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. So click on this link here and then you will be taken to this page where you have the prop firm. So you can join the prop firm if you want to. Prop firm means that in case you don't have enough money to trade but you have the skills. So if you know you can pass the challenge, you can make money, you can win trades, you have the knowledge, but you don't have 20,000, 50,000 or $100,000 to start with trading. Okay, in that case, if you want a reliable best prop firm in the world, go and check this out. It's absolutely mind-blowing. I love this prop firm, and it's not for US Canada but it's for rest of the world. Okay, so if you are outside US Canada, go and join it. It's completely genuine. Okay, and if you have your own money and you want to start trading by opening up a brokerage account, then you can check out these brokers, then sign up with them, add your money and get started. Okay, coming back to Euro USD, today is 22nd of April 2025. And also a disclaimer here, my videos are for educational purposes only, and I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. Even though if you make profits from my videos, send me some money. Okay, anyway, so yeah, if you're a scalper, just to get an idea from my videos, I don't give you any entry signals on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but you can get an idea for the long term from my videos and then use it if you're a short term trader. Okay, now starting with weekly time frame, in weekly we have broken all the previous highs as you can see here. So it has a week as well, but this week is not done yet. So this week will be finished after 3 days, I guess. Okay, so this week is still not done yet, but we are above previous highs. So all the previous highs in the weekly are broken. Same thing in daily, all the previous highs in daily chart are broken. Same in 4 hour, all the previous highs in 4 hour chart is broken. Okay, so in the last couple of years, the euro did not cross 1.1500, but it did cross yesterday. So yeah, what we're gonna do, we come back to Delhi here, and it's a it's a very I think logical thing to wait for the pullback now. Okay, it will be I think it's not wise to just go enter buy now. It will be like, for me personally, because if I want to enter trade, I would like to take at least 300 pips, 400 pips. That's how I do. I hardly take 4 to 5 trades in a month. Okay, so personally the way I trade, it's I like trade one trade per week. Okay, in which I will take around 300, 400 pips and I'm fine with that. Okay, so maybe 4 or 5 trades in a month, that's good enough for me. So I will not get into Euro USD right now personally. What I will do is I will wait for the pullback in daily. Okay, now pullback here means it could be a long pullback or short pullback. For example, you have to check the previous low. Previous low in daily is this candle. So if this red candle closes below this red candle, then we are going for this this low as well. Okay, so you have to be careful. In Delhi, if the red candle closes somewhere here and then you get another blue candle, then you enter buy. But if this red candle eats this low, then that means it will be going for this low as well. And then you have to wait for this red candle and then a blue confirmation and then enter only. Okay, let me try to make you understand the 4 hour first. So in the 4 hours, you can see previous high had been broken, new high had been created. Now use your Fibonacci. Let me show you, I guess, where is my Fibonacci? Right here. So if you draw the Fibonacci, for example, from here till here, right? So that's your Fibonacci, okay? And maybe it will come down to 38%, who knows, right? So you have to wait for the pullback. After the pullback, wait for the confirmation candle, and trend is up. No rocket science. 4 hour daily chart and this weekly chart, trend is up. In 4 hour, we are taking the pullback. Normally, in 4 hour, it can even come until here. Okay, so this is like 1275. So this low is 1275. For in 4 hour, this low has to break first. Okay, so either it will come until 38%, then it will pull back. Otherwise, it will come down here, break this low, and then break this low, and then it will pull back. Okay, so for me personally, I will look for pullbacks in daily. Okay, and again in daily, you have to be careful about this low and this low. Okay, if this low breaks by this candle or the coming candles, then it will go for this low. And again, remember here, we still have a lot of, if I use Fibonacci again here, you see here, we have enough, space. It can still pull back until 1.1200. If it pulls back 38% only, it will pull back until 1.1280. Okay, so I'm gonna wait in daily for the pullback, and then I'll wait for the confirmation blue candle next day, and then I will enter. You can get entry signals in 4 hour and in daily as well. So all in all, today I am not in the mood of entering Euro USD, because if I will enter Euro USD, I will take out at least 300 pips in one trade, or maybe 400 pips. Okay, so I have no intention to enter as a swing trader in Euro USD as of now. I'll wait for the pullback until at least 38%, and then wait for the confirmation blue candle in daily, and then I will enter. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It's all free. And if you want to check out some brokers and join my Telegram, it's all free. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.